Premiering June 25th on GSN.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
It's the ultimate race against the clock.
Left, right, left, right, left, right.
Teams of contestants.
Got it!
Playing to fulfill their dreams.
I'd love to finish school.
Buy a house for my mom.
Make us complete.
By winning the biggest cash prize in GSN history. But first, they'll need to survive a grueling week-long boot camp.
Look at that. It's perspiration. That means he's putting in hard work.
Then, let the games begin.
Nothing can stop this team.
With new host Apollo Antonono.
It's game time.
And 300
Come on, baby!
of the most intense, nerve-wracking, heart-stopping challenges.
Amazing.
Minute to Win It premieres Tuesday, June 25th at 8, 7 Central, only on GSN.